Hello there guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change font on TikTok. Firstly guys, I need to mention that there is no option for changing your font on TikTok directly by your side. The only solution for that is just typing on your browser and then go for the search box and then selecting font style. Just go and looking for the first option, which is font changer online. Click on LingoJam and select that. Right after selecting that, here you can add the normal text, which I will include with. Now I need to scroll down, and here as you can see are the fonts that are available in this side. Just scroll it up and you need to find which is the most interesting and the most outrageous here on this side. For me, for example, is with this one. Just go select it with a full potential and then go for cut. Right after that, get on the TikTok, and now if you wanna, for example, go with some video, you can just go make that video, go on the tick side. Okay, you need more recording side, go again, go next. Now if you go right here, you go paste, and now guys, as you can see, the font is available right now on your TikTok. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.